Well, the snow may have stopped, but it is bitter cold out there right now.
It sure is, and the wind is still whipping. It will tomorrow, but then later this week we actually get a break from storms and from serious cold and wind. Yeah.
Well, looking forward to it.
We don't have any big thaws coming up though, Sam. And I actually went back through the temperature records. The last time we hit 40 degrees in Portland and Bangor, 29 days ago, and that's the longest run in a few winters. So this winter playing out very differently than the last few, in that we've actually had some legitimate winter cold, and finally now the snow has caught up with the cold that we've had, because we didn't have too much snow at all through the month of January. 16 right now in Bangor, it's 19 degrees in Portland, so the temperatures themselves haven't dropped a whole lot tonight, but it is still very windy with gusts over 30 miles per hour in many locations. Tomorrow morning the winds will be essentially the same as they are now, gusts over 30 and some gusts to about 40 or 45 miles per hour tomorrow morning. And then during the afternoon, it's still going to be gusty, but it won't be to the levels that it was today and will be tomorrow morning. So the wind will slowly start to subside as we head into tomorrow night and into the day on Wednesday. The reason for all the wind, yesterday's storm sitting up here over the Canadian Maritimes, big area of high pressure coming down from Canada. The pressure difference between the two is what's driving all the wind around here. So tomorrow morning, we'll actually have a fair amount of sunshine in southern Maine. Then the clouds may fill in from time to time. More clouds up to the north tomorrow. High temperatures do get to between about 15 and 20, but the number to pay attention to tomorrow is the wind chill, which will be pretty bitter in the morning, well below zero, and by afternoon around zero is how it will feel near the coastline, and still well below zero across the far north. Changes come on Wednesday though. Temperatures are still below average, but we won't have as much wind, only 5 to 10 miles per hour, and coming from the west or even southwest on Wednesday, which is a bit of a warmer weather wind direction. There is going to be a storm on Thursday, but it looks like a miss going far to our south. Can't rule out maybe a snow shower as a front comes through, but I don't think we're going to get into the main area of snow Thursday night or Friday. We'll just get some clouds from that. Could be a bit breezy on Friday, but otherwise the weekend actually looks fairly decent and will turn a little bit milder with the wind coming in out of the west and southwest. We may actually get above freezing by Sunday. That'll be nice and something to look forward to. Seas 7 to 10 feet tomorrow. We still have a gale warning up on the water. Windy and cold tomorrow. High temperatures between 15 and 20, but most of the day the wind chill will be below zero. Lighter wind on Wednesday. It's still a cold day, but not so bad when you compare it to today and to tomorrow. And then for Thursday, increasing clouds, but the storm looks like a miss and actually looks like a nice winter weekend ahead. There could be a flurry or snow shower Saturday night. But Sam, the chance is so small, I didn't want to put it on there. The weekend looks good.
All right, could be a good weekend to go skiing.
I think so.
Yeah, that
I'm
might be
hoping
your
to.
thing.
Yeah.
All
You
righty.
do it.
Thanks,
All right.
Ryan.